Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically cancel the friend requests that you sent in the past. So go to your profile page, scroll down and see until you see all friends, then you're going to select the plus button up here and you're going to scroll up, then you're going to select the see all, and then you're going to select the three dots up here. Select view sent requests. Then you're going to just press cancel on the request that you sent and didn't get accepted. Like, I don't even want to talk about it, but yeah, whatever. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That's pretty much how you can cancel the friend requests that you've sent in the past. Unfortunately, you can't do it all at once, but that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.